Hello small mobile fans, happy day to you all. Thanks so much for your continued support for this channel. Wishing you good success in the year 2020. It seems Infinix is not in a hurry to release the X6 model because the first Infinix pop-up camera smartphone will be called S5 Pro, which makes sense if it comes with Android 9 Pie. I believe most people are expecting the latest Android 10 software in the Infinix S6 later this year. A top Indian tech YouTuber, TechnoRues, shares some official photos of the upcoming Infinix S5 Pro. He is impressed with the display. I guess this is because it may be an HD Plus AMOLED display. Apart from the pop-up camera upgrade, I hope Infinix has really done many relevant improvements with the S5 Pro. Fingers crossed. From the front image, we can truly confirm that the Infinix S5 Pro will have a pop-up selfie camera, which should be the same 32 megapixel lens like the S5. Another improvement is in the bottom bezel, which is a little bit smaller than the S5. From this image, we can see that the pop-up selfie camera will be capable of taking clear, sharp and wide selfies. Also looking closer towards the bottom left, you'll notice that the S5 Pro has a short video mode to record few seconds clip for social media apps like Instagram. The Infinix S5 Pro will be coming with two colors, which are green and violet. I actually prefer the green color. This image shows us the bottom ports, which are the headphone jack, microphone, micro USB port and the speaker. I guess Infinix is saving the USB Type-C port for the S6 model, and so you will have to manage the micro USB port till then. Looking closely at the top bezel, I hope there is the industry-leading dual air gap selfie flash for better service at night. It will be sad if there's only the screen flash. This image clearly shows a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner, which means that Infinix is not yet ready to implement the under-display fingerprint scanner on their smartphones. It is also clear that this is a polycarbonate back body, although I prefer the 3D crystal feather glass design in the Infinix S5. I guess Infinix is trying to reduce costs. Unfortunately, this human hand is obstructing the camera design department, but looking closely at this corner, I can see a camera bump that may resemble the Samsung A51, but quite smaller, maybe half of this size. Here is an unofficial design template of the Infinix S5 Pro, and it would be nice if the official camera design is similar to this. Fingers crossed. Based on the rumors flying around for the past 1 month, here are my final predictions for the specifications of the Infinix S5 Pro. I guess the processor will be upgraded to the MediaTek Helio P35, because I don't think Infinix is ready to use the more expensive Snapdragon alternatives yet. Maybe the Infinix S6 might have a Snapdragon 665 processor with a 48 megapixel camera. I believe Infinix will still retain the 16 megapixel quad camera setup, while the battery might be bumped up to a 5000 mAh size. We shall discover all the official specifications when it finally launches in 2 weeks time, February 18th, in India at a remote price of between 899 rupees to 1099 rupees, or $125 to $150, or in Naira 47,000 Naira to 56,000 Naira, thereby making the Infinix S5 Pro become the cheapest smartphone with a motorized pop-up selfie camera. Fingers crossed. This is all the information I have for now. Kindly let me know your opinion on the Infinix S5 Pro design in the comment section below. Thanks for watching to the end. Kindly subscribe and turn post notifications on for more updates. Talk to you in my next video. Remain humble. Bye.